Can you say hi to Harry the zebra?
Yeah!
Well done! Hi! Harry wants some tomato.
Yummy.
Should I give Harry some tomato?
Yeah!
Yes, I should. Sure, I should. Share my tomato with Harry. Yay! Here you go, Harry. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Yay! Harry says, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, TeeTees. You're welcome, Harry. Say, you're welcome. That was fun. That was fun to share with Harry. Yay! That was so fun. You helped TeeTees